What's up guys, welcome to a new vlog, Ray excited, oh my god, excited to bring to you this lovely video. I know guys, it has been a minute since I uploaded on YouTube. Yes, guess what, I am back again, and as you can see I have a beautiful background now because I have moved from my old place to this lovely place. Home tour coming real soon, but before we do all that guys, you already know how have you been. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, thank you so much. And in today's video guys, I'm gonna quickly just do an unboxing of these glasses, because the ones I got right now, let me see if you guys can see, but I got like they started cracking up. And it doesn't look really beautiful in the sun, and we are heading towards the summer here. There's beautiful sunshine right now outside, which is amazing, but I decided, you know what, I'm gonna go quickly grab new ones of these ones because they are beautiful and they are really polarized glasses. Let me see if you can see that P. Yes, beautiful sunglasses. So I got a new pair, and you know what, boxes on the side, it comes in a lovely Rayban, yeah, that way, Raybans, and on the side just says the size and all that beautiful information about the sunglasses. So I'm just gonna quickly open it up that way. Comes in this lovely box from Rayban, and let's see. Here we go. There we go. What's in the box? So we got the sunglasses themselves and nothing else in the box. In the box itself comes with this paper, throw that on the side. Comes with this cleaning cloth from Rayban. Also throw that on the side, and this is what I wanted to show you guys. So from this to this, because we started to see some cracks on these ones. I don't know if you can see, I don't know if the camera does it justice, but there is a little bit of cracks on this one. But so we're gonna quickly turn around and change it. Here we go guys. So these are the new ones. Ah, they look lovely, looking amazing, and these are the old ones. Yeah guys, really lovely. They are the polarized Ray-Bans. Lovely. I will link down below where I got them from if anyone is interested. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and follow the link if you want to buy these ones. Same ones, lovely beautiful ones. I'm gonna be using them almost every day this lovely summer. All right guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget, hit the like button and be kind to one another. Peace.